Ismaila Mohammed Elche, the Deputy State Chairman of our great party, our brother, our uncle, the immediate past member, representing the good people of Abuja South, Honorable Hassan Usman Sokologo, the members of VOTs that are here, the State Working Committee and the State Executive Committees, our field marshal, the local government party chairman, and the ward chairman that are here. The candidates of the 6th area council and the 62 ward councillors candidate of our great party, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I want to start by thanking Almighty Allah for making it possible to all of us to be here this afternoon to witness this great occasion, the presentation of the certificate of return to our candidate in the 6th area council and the 62 ward political ward in FCT. I stand here before you to represent the national chairman of our great party, Ambassador Ilya Damagun, to make the presentation of the certificate of return on his behalf. I want to thank the leadership of this our great party, most especially the Governors Forum, under the leadership of our father, Honorable Bala Muhammad Abdul Qadir, the Auram Bauchi, and our boss in the North Central Zone, His Excellency, Honorable Khalid Muftang, the Executive Governor of Plateau State, our leader, Distinguished Senator Bukola Saraki, and other leaders of our great party in PDP, for making it possible. Today, by the grace of Almighty Allah, we have a substantial National Secretary of our great party, in the person of Honorable Distinguished Senator Samuel Anyau Samdadi, as the substantial National Secretary of our great party. Today, we are here to witness another great occasion. But before the presentation of the certificate, I want to use this opportunity to call on the good people of FCT, most especially the electorate. Here we are again for another journey, which our election is coming February next year. And we know FCT is a form of PDP, and PDP is for FCT, inshallah. I want to use this opportunity to call most especially the executives of our political ward, from the ward to the state level. Please and please, it's no longer business as usual. Wherever we find someone in a double standard, by the grace of Almighty Allah, today we have a disciplinary committee at the state chapter, also at the local government level chapter, and that of what? That person must be disciplined. We know you may have your brothers and your sisters in the other side, and which we also have our brothers and sisters who are still in this party, but there were not opportunity to come and serve as an executive. The party will no longer take it. And whoever felt that is not ready to do this, so please move. Just move immediately, so that the vacuum will be immediately replaced. Because this party that we are seeing, we all dedicate ourselves that we are going to work for this party. And we all agree that we are going to remain in this party. So as an executive, it's a shameless thing to find you at the other side, campaigning or romancing or doing whatsoever with other political parties. That's called anti-party activities. And we will not allow that to happen in FCT anymore. I want to also use this opportunity to thank my boss, distinguished Senator Philip Tedimu Aduda, Honorable Hassan Sokodogo, the immediate past member, Representative Ahmad Kambwani, Prof.Mgbeke Wajiba, the executive chairman of Buhari, and our new registered member as an FCT, Prof.Mgbeke, for supporting this party to make sure that the State Secretariat take care of its day-to-day activities. And with their support, this is where we are today. And every one of you will attest that the Secretariat is giving a new look. And it's looking very comfortable for every member to come and visit, to also contribute their quota to the State Secretariat. I don't know how to thank you, but I'm assuring you that I, Abdurrahman, I will continue to do my best to support the PDP in the FCT and North Central at large to make sure that we have a befitting party that can contest with other political parties, and inshallah we are going to. That we are privileged to be the leaders in this party, not by our doing, not about our status, is God wishes. And inshallah we will continue to pray and ask for his guidance to make sure that we all discharge our duty according to the constitution and guideline of this great party called PDP. And inshallah we will do our best to make sure that the area council election from the 62 wards of FCT and 6 area council are all won by our party, inshallah.
Love the best. And our deputy chairman stayed, will be doing the one for Abuja South Media and Instructors.